Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing in real estate? Think again. What if I told you there are proven ways to build your real estate empire without a single penny upfront? Yes, it's possible, and I'm here to show you exactly how. Real estate is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. It has created more millionaires than any other investment. But let's face it, getting started can feel intimidating, especially when you think you need tons of money. Here's the good news. You don't need a fortune to get started. In this video, I'm breaking down practical, actionable strategies to help you jump into real estate investing even if your bank account is running on fumes. So stick around, because this could change your financial future. 1. Leveraging wholesaling. First up, wholesaling. This is perfect for beginners with little to no money. Here's how it works. You find a motivated seller who's looking to sell their property fast or from below market value. Next, you negotiate a contract to buy the property at a discount. Instead of buying it yourself, you sell that contract to another investor for a fee. For example, let's say you find a property worth $150,000, but you negotiate a deal for $100,000. You then sell the contract to an investor for $110,000, keeping the $10,000 difference. The best part, you never need to own the property or use your own money. Just a phone, some research, and hustle. 2. House hacking. Now, let's talk about house hacking, one of my favorite strategies. This involves buying a property, living in one part of it, and renting out the rest to cover your mortgage. For example, buy a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other. You can use loans like FHA, which require as little as 3.5% down, or even explore options for zero down VA loans if you qualify. Imagine living for free while building equity in your property. 3. Partnering with investors. If you lack money, but have time, knowledge, or skills, find someone who has the money but lacks those other things. This is called partnership investing. Approach family, friends, or professional networks and pitch your idea. You'll handle the legwork, finding deals, managing properties, while they bring the cash. Structure a win-win agreement, like splitting profits 50-50. It's a great way to get started without taking on all the financial risk yourself. 4. Seller financing. Another powerful strategy is seller financing. Instead of getting a bank loan, you negotiate directly with the property seller to make monthly payments to them. Why would they agree to this? Maybe they're looking for steady income or want to avoid the hassle of selling traditionally. With the right deal, you can secure a property without a massive down payment or a perfect credit score. 5. Using OPM, other people's money. Lastly, there's the concept of OPM, or other people's money. This includes private lenders, hard money loans, or crowdfunding platforms. For example, a private lender might lend you money for a short-term flip, with the agreement that you'll repay them plus interest after selling the property. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realtime, you pull small amounts of money from investors to fund larger real estate projects. How to get started today? Here's how you can take action. Start educating yourself. Read books, watch videos like this one, and learn the basics of real estate investing. Build your network. Join local real estate investment groups, attend meetups, or even reach out to professionals in your area. Take small steps. Whether it's driving around looking for distressed properties, contacting sellers, or pitching ideas to potential partners, action is key. The journey starts with one step. Don't let fear hold you back. C. You don't need to wait for a lottery win or a huge bank balance to start investing in real estate. With these strategies, you can start building your wealth today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with anyone who's looking to break into real estate. Let's grow together. Drop a comment below with your questions. I'd love to help you get started.